Welcome to my next project. I'm Joshua Purcell. In today's video, we're going to be applying Rubio MonoCoat. There will be a link in the description below where you can order this on Amazon. We're going to be applying it as a practice run to two drawer fronts in my shop. These are oak drawer fronts, and I just wanted to get a little bit of practice to see if I liked it. As you can see, this is a two-part mixture. Here I'm mixing it up and getting ready to apply it to the drawer fronts. This is probably way overkill for a shop drawer video, but these are going to look really nice, and I'm excited to get to try them out. Excited to get to try out a new method. So first of all, I tried to begin with using a paper towel to spread this, and it did not work very well. I gave up after literally like 5 seconds. And I come back here with a putty knife, and I'm just going to spread this evenly and let as much of it soak into the wood as possible. After I let it sit for about 10 minutes, I come back and I'm going to wipe it off with a paper towel. If you remember from seeing the previous videos, these two boards I filled in the cracks and holes in them with a 635 epoxy. They'll be linked below. And on the other one, the one I haven't started yet, I used the Weld epoxy you can get at Home Depot. I have links to both products below that I used, and I just was trying to try out a couple of different things to see which one I like better. I can tell you this is one of the easiest finishes I've ever applied. There was almost no issues putting it on there. It goes on so evenly, and it looks great after it's done. And I did this video, I recorded this video probably a little over a month ago, and at the end I'm going to show you some pictures to see what it looks like after it's set in the shop for about a month. It still looks great. And now I'm coming back and simply just wiping off the excess oil off the front of these. I can't tell you how great these look in person. They look good on camera, but they look even better in person. And like I said, after I let these sit in the shop for about a month, here's some pictures of them. This is the one with the 635 epoxy, and it just looks great. And here's the one with the Weld. It also looks great as well. Thanks again for watching, and as always, y'all will see me next time.